हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर न्यू चैनल स्टेनो वाले सर। मैं आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा हूँ। बी रेडी फॉर इट।
Start. Mr. Speaker, Sir, I rise to discuss a serious situation arising out of the reported explosion of nuclear device by Pakistan and the supply of Avkas and other sophisticated arms by USA to that country. Sir, late Prime Minister of India had warned the world that Pakistan is accumulating arms and certain foreign powers are supplying in big quantities of arms to Pakistan. Today, while initiating this discussion, Sir, I place a note of warning to the whole of the country as to which side the situation is taking shape. Sir, it is reported that Pakistan has acquired nuclear bomb status. When this news or information was published, everybody among us was of the opinion that President Reagan will take serious note of it. But to our utter surprise, it happened last week that the Reagan administration certified that Islamabad had the non nuclear status and consequently allotment of $600 million worth of arms was sanctioned to Pakistan. Sir, on the one hand, we are the champions of peace. We are the champions of non-aligned movement in the world. India had never attacked her neighbors. There are many small countries neighboring India, but there is no threat, no risk, no danger at the hands of our great country to them. It is because we believe in coexistence. We believe in the theory that everybody has the right to live. But, sir, it is very clear that since 1953, when Pakistan entered into a pact with the USA, there had been continuous accumulation of arms endangering or threatening the security of our country. Now, sometimes ago, AVCAS airborne warning system and radar planes have been given to Pakistan. These planes can collect information from the other countries up to 200 kilometers. I may be corrected if it is 400 kilometers. So these are also being given to Pakistan. It is written that Islamabad is now only two screwdriver turns away from a full-fledged bomb. So, sir, this is a very dangerous situation. Previously, Iran had been the base of America to use American arms and use American influence in Asia. Iran was the basis earlier, but after the fall of the Shah of Iran, the full fledged use of Pakistan territory is being made by America for her evil design. The threat to our country is not only with the arrival of arms. I here want to take up jointly the matter and the intention of Pakistan as well as supply of arms by the imperialists to it. There are many forces and many powers in the world who are jealous of our great country. They want that India should not grow or should not develop. Out of that jealousy, they are supporting the vested interests and opponents of India. Now, Pakistan is consistently trying to destabilize our country by sending infiltrators. There had been two wars with Pakistan in the previous years. During these wars, all these arms which were got from America were used against our country. Even though the USA and other imperialist countries had given an assurance that these arms would not be permitted to be used against India, but even then they were used against us. On the one hand, Pakistan is getting arms, and on the other hand, Sri Lanka is getting arms from five countries who are supplying arms to Pakistan: Israel, China, South Africa, Pakistan, and UK are the countries which are supplying arms to Pakistan. Pakistan's intervention is not how any secret thing. The Prime Minister had many times discussed the issue with Pakistan authorities and the head of the Pakistan government. The Prime Minister should not keep any secret it at all needed. The Prime Minister should come out with facts which are needed foremost for the sovereignty of this great country. The Pakistanis directly and indirectly are destabilizing our country. Take the case of Western border. There is a rumor that Indian nationals in thousands went to Pakistan after Operation Blue Star. The government of India should collect those figures. Those people are now imparted training in sophisticated weapons and are being sent back to our country to create chaos and to kill innocent people. Pakistan is giving training and supplying arms to these people. It is also giving them money. A few days back in the Golden Temple, certain posters were seen bearing in printing press at Lahore. This is a very serious situation. Punjab Chief Minister told a few days back that people who crossed over from Pakistan to India have been arrested, and they revealed during interrogation that they were trained in Faisalabad, Multan, and in other cantonments. They were the people to whom Pakistan asked to go into that country and have communal killings.